Oh, another burnt out incandescent light bulb. This one's in the kitchen. This is what we're using here, the Sylvania 40 watts ceiling fan light bulb. These are A15 style bulbs, and for the 40 watts they use, they allegedly output 405 lumens, and they're supposed to last 1,000 hours. I think there's some consistency issues with these. I've had some of these burn out pretty quick, and then some seem to last a very long time. I've had one in one of the living room lamps for longer than I can remember, and then this one I only put in a couple months ago, and it's already spoiled. And this light is very seldom used above like that much brightness. So for it to not last very long is quite disappointing. I also had one go out when I put them in there, and I don't think it lasted 1,000 hours either. So that's a little disappointing, but we're using these anyways simply because they exist. I don't have any kind of stock for appliance bulbs, so this is what we're stuck with. Okay, that's good. It's working again. Now I gotta go to the store and buy some more incandescent light bulbs. These can be operated in any position, and it has a safety circuit. A special design feature of Sylvania bulbs minimizes arcing at the end of the filament life. Stronger filament to ensure longer life. I don't know about that. And it's not like the fan is running much either. It's the middle of winter. You've got to be kidding. This is ridiculous. What are they doing to these light bulbs to make these so indestructible? I feel like years ago this would have broken by now. You can't make this stuff up. Oh, what a mess. All right, hopefully no more of them go out today because I don't have any more on hand.